Hey guys, Greg with Green Zen, and thank you for coming to my YouTube channel. Now, for the people who've never been here before, or if you're returning, thank you. What I like to do is just inspire the world in 5 main areas of life, which are mentally, physically, spiritually, financially, and socially. And I truly believe that if we all had a holistic balance of these areas in life, we can live in world peace, we can abolish slavery and war and famine and hunger and disease, and be all wealthy and healthy together on this planet as one human unit, and just evolve to our next level in life, whatever it is. But I believe we need to pass this test first before we can get there. So that's just what I believe. So again, if you like my messages, please like, comment, share, subscribe. And then again, when you comment, please let me know some of your thoughts or what are you doing related to these topics to either help out the world or help out yourself, or if you have questions about it, just let me know. Alrighty, so today's topic is actually called how to be more charismatic, or what is that? So I actually just pulled up the exact definition of charismatic. It is exercising a compelling charm which inspires devotion in others. So I'll say it again. Exercising a compelling charm which inspires devotion in others. It's very similar to the other videos that I related, where you have great energy, being able to be positive around other people. So again, when you're charismatic, you can just give off that charm, and other people are attracted to you. It's kind of like the law of attraction in a sense, because when you're charismatic, the people who are also charismatic or similar to that, they will draw into you naturally, like a magnetic force, because you're both vibrating on the same frequency, and then you just will sync up well. So again, when you're charismatic, give off confidence, give off love, give off care, give off happiness, give off respect, give off hope, happiness, all that good stuff in one package. So bundle all those words I just said, put it in one package, and there you go. There's your charismaticness, your charismatic bundle package, limited time offer. and then you actually will draw people to you, because people will see how charismatic you are, how confident and charming you are, and they will be interested in you, intrigued. They will want to actually come and maybe learn from you, and just have you kind of teach them in a mentoring type of style, friendship or bond or whatever, partnership, and then you can actually help them become better. So then once they build up to that level, your vibration will be here, they see you, and they vibrate to where you are, and then once they get to a certain level, you can like send them off kind of like a bird in a nest that's flying, and then they can go help somebody else out, and they can teach them to vibrate to their level, then they can go help somebody, then they go vibrate, then they go help somebody. Again, I really just want each person to really help someone else out, because think about it, guys, if one person helped another person on this planet, and everybody did that, we would literally solve all of our problems. But so many people are kind of still plugged into the matrix in that slave, narrow, and mindless zombie type of state of mind, where it's very distracted to this doesn't happen. So I just want to help wake people up to be able to live better lives and help other people live better lives. So again, just be more charismatic. Again, this is Greg with Green Zen. If you guys still need some help with resources on manifesting what you want and having the right mindset, go ahead and click on the resources I have in the description below. It will ask you into your email address, and then you get taken to some videos that you can watch, and those may help you change your life. Also, again, if you like what I do on the channel, please like these videos, please comment, it helps out, please share, and please subscribe. Much appreciated. Alrighty, so Greg with Green Zen. I do hope you guys have a great day.